big one's having a great day so far. I'm going to be unboxing a product that's just coming from GodoxSA. And it's something that I've been excited about because I want to start using and getting a bit more creative in some photography areas. Let's just unbox this one. So this is if you can see on that camera, this is the SA-17. This is actually your projection attachment for the bowens mount. So if we open this, as you can see, let's put this out the way. As you can see, it's the Godox attachment for the bowens mounts. Not all bowens lights, just bear this in mind, guys. Not all bowens mounted lights would actually fit in here. There's some LEDs where the bulbs are too big. The 8600 Pros, also the bulbs are too big. They don't actually fit in. You can't actually attach on. But I mean, you can use things like anything with a decent modeling, like maybe an 8300 Pro with an S2 bracket, which I'm going to be experimenting with using that in studio and actually mounting that on that way. Just an idea. But yeah, this is the first part of many that actually is required. The next one is the SA-17, which is actually the projection unit. As you can see, it's in a nice little Godox orange case. There you go. So it's in a nice padded case, which has got a nice handle. You can even have a strap clip. It's very well packed, and but I'm more interested in the inside of this. Let's just check. Okay, so here it is, guys. So this is actually the SA-P, the projection unit. Comes standard with the 85mm lens, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the 85mm lens, which you can use for focusing, defocusing your projection. It's got a nice rubber cover over the top. Literally, you can take in your lenses and focus them and change them. You can get the, I think it's the 60mm, or there's a 60mm, there's a 150mm that you can actually use on these attachments. And then obviously your gobos and everything slot in, which that'll be our next unboxing. Oh, so this is the SA-10, the gobo holder. You put your gobos in there, and then you put that back on, and you slot it into the projection unit. So, as I said, I'm going to be playing around with this unit and seeing what we can do. As I said, I'm also going to try and do the S2 bracket on the 8300 Pros just to see what I get from that. And gonna have some exciting things happening soon. The gobos, the little metal plates and stuff which you can get, which is I think it's the SA-09, which is like the ones with the window effects and stuff like that. For blades, if you want to use blades and you want to now put like a thin strip of light, there you can get the SA-07. And literally you just put them in and actually just set. So you can even create a thin band of light across the model's face and have other gels and stuff filling in the shadows, and you just get this beautiful array of light. But we'll be doing a lot of that stuff in studio, so stay tuned. Where to get this stuff? I mean, we're based in South Africa, so literally for South Africa will be GodoxSA. I'll put the link down below or in the comments of this post. Go and check out their site. They have great deals, and not only that, the support that they give local photographers throughout the country is amazing. They also have free training days that you can register online. But as I said, I'll put all those links and stuff in the comments below. I'll catch you guys later, and yeah, happy shooting. Cheers.